Listing 3725 is a well-established auto repair business and property for sale in DuPage County, Illinois. Helmed by a highly qualified manager and experienced technicians averaging 25+ years in the industry, this is a well-run business that has thrived for decades. The team services both foreign and domestic vehicles, as well as some light trucks. The owner is now retiring. This shop is located within close proximity of both commercial and residential zones, ensuring steady and diversified traffic. The surrounding area has an extremely high average household income of $125,000, and the total number of households is 85,000 within a 5-mile radius. All equipment is included in the sale price, current asset list available upon request after execution of non-disclosure agreement. For more information, please call us at 312-448-8080 or email us at sales@AutoBizBrokers.com.